to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you,
Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
What's up, cousin? What's up?
hey cousin. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my very detailed, flawless, everyday makeup routine. This is a routine that I do, you know, when I want to look a little bit more beat than usual, you get a little more extra. I want to look, you know, real good. I'm not like on the go trying to hurry. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look and you're interested in seeing what new techniques I'm using, keep on watching. First thing we're going to start with is the brows. The first thing I'm going to go in with is this Duo Lash Glue. I'm going to brush this throughout my brows. This is going to help my brows stay in place and last all day.
I wanna be anywhere, any place that I can feel you. I just wanna be near you.
I'm going to take this Morphe micro brow pencil in chocolate mousse. I'm going to take the brush in. I'm going to brush that product throughout my brows. I'm brushing them upward. I'm going for the feathered brow look, and I'm doing this until I like the way that they look. Now I'm going to take the pencil in. I'm going to line the bottom of my brow, and then I'm going to line the top also. However, instead of starting at the beginning, I'm going to go from the middle of the brow and go to the end because I'm going for a more natural look. And now I'm just going to fill in my brow using light hair-like strokes.
I know sometimes I do wrong. Hear the words of this song. When I go, I don't stay gone for long. I know what's going on. And yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. Sometimes it gets unhealthy. We can't be by ourselves. We'll always need each other. Yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. I just want you to know that.
Now I'm just going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel, and I'm going to conceal the bottom of my brow. Later on in the video, you'll see me conceal the top of my brow with my foundation shade.
And I'm coming back home to you. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home.
Okay, so now I'm going to prep and prime my face. First, I'm going to moisturize my face using this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion.
I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home.
Next, I'm going to set that moisturizer with this Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. I got this technique from TikTok. It definitely helps my makeup last all day. Alright, so I'm going to lock that in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and then I'm going to apply my e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer.
Yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. I just want you to know that if I could, I swear I'd go back, make everything a better road.
As I stated earlier, I'll be taking my foundation and concealing the top of my brow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I gotta figure out where it got to. I'm just applying my foundation using the Real Techniques Insta Pop face brush. If you're not new here, you know this is my absolute favorite brush to apply my foundation with. I just love the density of the brush and the shape of it. Now once I do this, I am going to go in with my beauty blender and go over this and further blend it in, and it's also going to pick up any excess amount of foundation that may be on my face so that I don't look too cakey and that it's more flawless and skin like.
Even though I got a cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. Yeah, I know that they at the crib going crazy, going crazy, going crazy, going crazy right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy, going crazy, going crazy, going crazy right now. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
I'm going to go back in with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to go down the side of my nose. This is like reverse contouring. I'm going to highlight my under eye, but I'm not going to drag it out too far. And then I'm going to hit the outer corner, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. I learned this technique from TikTok last year. I've been doing it ever since. It's not really new to me. However, applying the concealer this way actually lifts the face, plus it reduces the amount of product that you're using, and it's still very full coverage. Also, I no longer use the beauty blender to blend out my concealer because it is not as full coverage when I do it that way. The brush just gives me the coverage I need when it comes to concealing and highlighting my under eye. Right here, I was just trying to explain why I no longer place concealer directly on my mouth area and my chin anymore, simply because those are the two places that I tend to sweat when I get hot and it leaves a shadow, so I try not to put much product there anymore.
I just wanna get away, it's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, I want you around,
This Juvia's Place Iron Match Concealer in the shade 12. It's just a tad bit brighter than the Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to place this under my eye just to brighten it up a little bit more.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had in this place.
I'm taking my foundation brush and blending out the outer edge of that concealer so that the highlight and contour can have a seamless blend. I'm going to take this Beauty Bakerie flour powder and I am going to set those highlighted areas. This is in the shade Plantain.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby.
Normally when I'm blending out my under eye concealer, I'll take the excess from the brush and blend it out on my lid. I forgot to do that, so I'm going back in with my concealer and doing it now. I'm also going to set my eyes with that powder as well.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place take you, show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place
Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. cream contour palette. I'm going to take the darkest shade, which I've hit pan on to contour with. It's okay, guys. I did purchase a new one after this video. Now to set my contour and to add more warmth to my face, I'm just going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. I'm going to contour my nose using that same Mocha Mami bronzer. I'm going to take it from the middle of my nose into the beginning of my brow and blend it out that way. Everything just flows together much nicer when I contour my nose this way. I'm also going to contour the tip of my nose in a V shape, give you that little cute button nose.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
And of course, you know, for my everyday look, I'm just going to apply my bronzer to my lid just to give it some warmth and some color. You don't have to necessarily use a bronzer. You can just use any type of brown eyeshadow. Alright, I'm just locking in what I've done so far with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in 360 Mocha, and I'm going to use this as my finishing powder. I'm going to apply this all over my face and kind of clean up the highlighted areas as well. I'm going to take the Juvias Place Zulu palette. I'm going to go into that orangish brown shade, and I'm going to use that as my blush. I'm going to take the crayon case and Glow highlighter, and I'm going to only highlight the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. I don't really do much highlighting these days just because I feel like you do kind of already have a natural highlight on your cheekbone. I always follow up with my beauty blender on my highlighted areas. If the glow is a little too intense, I tone it down that way. The fluffy lashes have been my jam lately, and these are the ones I've been loving. Before I apply those, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and apply that first. I don't know why I've been doing it, but I've been liking that.
Everything about you, your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. Goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe.
I'm going to line my waterline with this Trestique black liner. This was actually given to me by a friend. I personally went by myself because it was $19, but I do actually really like it. I just don't think I could spend $19 on that. Okay, so now let's get into this lip. Of course, I'm going to start off by lining my lips with Max Chestnut. I'm then going to follow up with the NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss and Sugar Mama. And I'm going to top it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Hot Chocolate.
Until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my mind flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain.
Alright, I'm just going to set my entire face with this Kokie Cosmetics Fix It Up Matte Setting Spray. That's pretty much it. I'm going to go throw some clothes on. Alright cousins, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you use any of the techniques that I used in this video or any of the products. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.